Hi, this is from Healthy Tips with Jones. Ever wondered which cooking oil is the healthiest or which one to use for frying, baking, or salads? You're not alone. Today, we're counting down the top 5 healthiest cooking oils and giving you tips on the best ways to use each one. Let's dive in. Kicking off our list at number 5 is olive oil. Known as a heart-healthy oil, olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and protect against heart disease. Olive oil has a moderate smoke point, so it's best for low to medium heat cooking like sautéing, and it's perfect for dressings and drizzling over cooked vegetables. But avoid using it for high heat cooking, as it can break down quickly at high temperatures. Next up, at number 4, is avocado oil. This oil has a high smoke point, which makes it great for high heat cooking like frying, roasting, or grilling. Avocado oil is also rich in monounsaturated fats, vitamin E, and antioxidants that are known to support skin and eye health. If you're looking for an oil that can handle the heat while offering plenty of health benefits, avocado oil is a fantastic choice. Coming in at number 3, we have coconut oil. Coconut oil has become popular for its unique saturated fat content, mainly in the form of medium-chain triglycerides, which can be quickly used by your body for energy. It has a high smoke point, making it suitable for baking and frying. However, since it's high in saturated fat, it's best used in moderation. Coconut oil also adds a subtle coconut flavor, which can add a nice twist to baked goods and certain dishes. At number 2, we have walnut oil. This oil is a little less common, but it's one of the healthiest options due to its high omega-3 fatty acid content, which is great for brain health and reducing inflammation. Since walnut oil has a low smoke point, it's best used for cold dishes like salad dressings or drizzling over cooked vegetables. It has a mild, nutty flavor that pairs well with fresh greens and grains. And our top pick is extra virgin olive oil. This is the least processed form of olive oil, and it's packed with antioxidants, healthy fats, and compounds that can fight inflammation. Extra virgin olive oil is best used as a finishing oil or in dressings to preserve its beneficial nutrients and flavors. Try drizzling it over pasta, roasted veggies, or even a slice of fresh bread. So there you have it, the top 5 healthiest cooking oils and when to use them. Whether you're sautéing, frying, or making a salad, choosing the right oil can make a huge difference to your health and the flavor of your food. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which oil you'll be trying next.